Hey, what's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you the Healthy New Living compensation plan. All right, so it's gonna show you how you can potentially earn $5,150 a month from Healthy New Living. Now, I want you to keep this in mind. All right, this does not include money that you can make from matching bonuses, and this doesn't include money that you can make from actual product commission sales. All right, so watch the presentation, get a good understanding of it, and after you watch, if you get motivated and you want to join the Healthy New Living team, all you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video. Once you do that and you all set up, I will personally reach out to you and help you get started and help you any way I can for you to be successful with Healthy New Living. All right, so I'm gonna get you involved in the private Facebook group, all of our extra training. Make sure you get on the webinars and make sure you start generating a passive income, because I know that's what you want. All right, check out the video, and if you want to join the team, click the link below and I will see you on the other side. Peace.
So the comp plan structure that you're going to see is powered by an amazing 2x10 force matrix, okay? And there's compressions every month to, in case there's holes or members that, decide not to stay. So this way our matrix is continuing to grow and grow with active members, okay? And if you've never heard of a force matrix, it's basically a matrix that fills up a certain way from left to right, top to bottom, as people are joining your organization, whether it's someone you brought or spills from above or spills from below. The first level fits 2, second level fits 4 people, third fits 8, and so on, all the way to level 10, where on level 10, 1,024 people fit on that level alone, okay? But how do we earn bonuses? We are going to earn from fast starts, from residuals, from matching, from promotions and products. And it's not a guarantee of income, what we're about to talk about, but results vary and are based on your performance and work, okay? So let's talk about the fast start bonus. It's $15, guys. $15 every time you sign someone up or refer a direct. You're going to earn $15. So if you invite 2, that's 30. If you invite 4, that's 60. If you invite 10, that's 150, and so on. It's unlimited, guys. You can invite unlimited directs. It's up to you, okay? You're going to earn $15 every single time from Fast Start bonuses. And then we have the residual commissions. This is what you get paid every month from the matrix when folks are paying their ABBR. You can earn, and you're actually going to earn this commission on the very first month that members are paying their monthly, okay? It doesn't start on the second month. It starts on the first month. You're going to earn these commissions on the very first month that they're paying their ABBR. And we're talking about directs and non-directs in your 2x10 force matrix, okay? So now let's talk about my favorite bonus, which is called the unlimited matching bonus. Now, guys, you can either, want to be at the 50% qualification or the 100% qualification, right? So you need at least 2 directs to earn 50% matching bonuses, and then you need just 4 directs to earn 100% matching bonuses. It's up to you, right? You want to get 2 or 4, right? Or more than 4, it's up to you. So here's an example. If you qualify for the 50% matching bonus and you have a direct that earned $5,000 in their residual monthly matrix, guess what? The company's paying you a matching bonus of 50% of that, which is what? $2,500. However, if you qualify for the 100% matching bonus and your direct earned $5,000, okay, from the residual matrix commissions, guess what? You're gonna get the 5,000, right? So which one do you want? I want the 100%, please. We also get product bonuses every time your direct or customer orders products. Every single time, we're gonna get paid 20% commission instantly in our back office. This does not include the voucher, okay? So these are orders being made every single month from your directs or from your free customers, not including the $25 voucher, okay? Now, promotions on occasion, guys, the company will come up with some sort of like contest or challenge or some sort of game where we can win something, right? And these are just like either commissions, bonuses, or free products to participants that qualify and win some sort of contest, okay, from the company. So, stay tuned for these types of promotions, okay? So this is important, guys. When your commissions are $39.95 or more in your back office, guess what? The company will lock that amount to maintain your monthly affiliate business building requirement. And if you do not have $39.95 in your back office as commissions, then you can go ahead and pay your monthly with your card, right? Visa, MasterCard, your debit card or credit card, or even with crypto, all right? So that's good to know. Now, to withdraw commissions, okay, you just need to have 2 active directs to be able to withdraw any commissions. And guess what? It goes straight to your Pay Quicker Visa card, right? That's pretty cool. I already got my Visa card. I'm using it almost every day, guys. Okay, wherever Visa is accepted. I've even sent my commissions from this Visa to my bank, and I've withdrawn from an ATM machine cash, okay? So it's pretty cool, guys. If you don't have 2 active directs and you do have commissions, you're not gonna lose the commissions. It's just gonna accumulate and you're gonna earn and earn and earn. So you don't need referrals to earn, right? You might be getting spills and commissions from those spills every month. So you are earning your commissions without referrals. However, we want everybody to, work a little bit and get their 2, at least 2, so that you can withdraw your commissions. To me, that's pretty fair, right? So let me give you 3 more reasons why you should join, all right? First of all, we talked about this already. You're gonna get the free marketing system, all right? That alone is a big, huge, very important thing, okay? To me and to those that work online. And then you're gonna get support and training from top leaders, and you're gonna be able to lock your top spot in the matrix. And it's important to lock, your spot, because you want to be early before more people keep joining. Because if more people keep joining, then you're just gonna keep, maybe waiting until you join, and then you could get in way later when it's already like all these people ahead of you and above you. So that's what I'm saying. If you want to join before your network joins, now's the time, right? So quick question then, are you A or B? Are you A, you just want to be an affiliate member and join the team and start working with us? Or you just maybe just want to try out the products and be a customer? Both are perfectly fine. We welcome both. So get back with the person that invited you. Let them know you are ready to rock and roll. Let them know which one you want to do, A or B. Very, very important to take that next step with us, right?